Hello students. Next graph is complete bipartite graph. First, we will see definition of complete bipartite graph. A bipartite graph is called complete bipartite if each vertex of vertex set V1 is adjacent to every vertex of vertex set V2, where V1, V2 is bipartition of V. If vertex set V1 contain m vertices and other vertex set V2 contain n vertices, then this bipartite graph is denoted as KMN. For example, for complete bipartite graph, suppose V1, V2, V3. This is the vertex set of capital V1 and V4, V5 is the vertex set of V2 denoted as V2. Now V1 is adjacent to every vertex of V2, means V1 is adjacent to V4, V1 is adjacent to V5. Also V2 is adjacent to V4, V5, V3 adjacent to V4, V5. So this graph is complete bipartite graph. So first vertex set contains 3 vertex and V2 contain 2 vertex. So this is a K3-2 complete bipartite graph with 3 and 2 vertex set. Now next, for example, K4-2. K4-2 means first vertex set contain 4 vertex and second vertex set contain 2 vertex, means V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. This is denoted as capital V1 and this is denoted as capital V2. So V1 is adjacent to V5, V6. Similarly for V2, V3, V4. Complete bipartite graph. Next, properties of complete bipartite graph. Properties of complete bipartite graph with vertex set V1 contain m vertices and vertex set V2 contain n vertices. First, each vertex of vertex set V1 has degree n and each vertex of vertex set V2 has degree n. Because complete bipartite graph is denoted as KMN. Each vertex of vertex set V1 has degree n. Here m is equal to 3, n is equal to 2. So each vertex of vertex set V1 has degree 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And each vertex of vertex set V2 has degree m. Here m is 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So first property here I explained. Second, number of edges are m into n. Here number of edges of K3-2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So K3-2 means 3 into 2, 6. Next property, every complete bipartite graph is bipartite but converse is not true. That is, every bipartite graph may not be a complete bipartite. Next property, degree of graph is equal to 2 into m into n. Because here K3-2, degree of graph means summation of degree of each vertex of this graph. Here V1, V2, V3 has degree 2, 2 and V4, V5 has degree 3, 3. Add degree of each vertex, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 12. So degree of graph is equal to 2 into m into n. Next example, find number of edges is K58 graph. By properties of complete bipartite, second property is number of edges R m into n for complete bipartite graph. Complete bipartite graph means k m n. Here m is equal to 5, n is equal to 8. That means this graph has 5 into 8 number of edges. K58 graph is complete bipartite graph. Complete bipartite graph in which first vertex set V1 contains 5 vertices and second V2 contains 8 vertices. Therefore, number of edges is equal to 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Next example, draw the following graphs. First, non-complete bipartite graph. Second, complete graph which is complete bipartite graph. Third, regular graph but not complete. And fourth, 3R6, that is 3 regular graph with 6 vertices. First of all, we have to know about the definition of regular graph, complete bipartite graph, 3 regular graph with 6 vertices. That means m regular graph with n vertices. First, non-complete bipartite graph. First we take 3 vertex here, 2 vertex here and join like this, like this. This is not a complete bipartite graph, because for a complete bipartite graph, each vertex of vertex V1, vertex set V1 adjacent to every vertex of vertex set V2. But here this vertex is not adjacent to every vertex of V2. There is no adjacency between these vertices. Only this vertex is adjacent to this, remaining we didn't draw here. That's why this is a non-complete bipartite graph. Also, this graph is not unique. You can draw any graph which is non-complete bipartite graph. Take 4 vertex here, 1 vertex here or 2 vertex here and join like this graph is non-complete bipartite graph. Second, complete graph which is complete bipartite graph. This graph is unique. This is a complete graph because each vertex is adjacent to remaining vertex. Also, this is a complete bipartite graph. If we take here V1, V2, means this vertex is adjacent to this vertex. Suppose this is a V1, this is a V2, means each vertex of V1 is adjacent to every vertex of vertex set V2. So this is a complete bipartite, also complete graph. And this is a unique graph. You can't draw any graph which is complete and also complete bipartite graph. Third, regular graph but not complete graph. If we take 5 vertex, each vertex has degree same, then we can say that this is a regular graph. You can see that each vertex of this graph has degree 2. So this is a regular graph. But each vertex is adjacent to not a remaining vertex. That's why it is not a complete graph, because this vertex is adjacent to only these 2 vertex. These 2 vertex are not adjacent to this vertex. That's why it is not a complete. So this graph is a regular graph but not complete. Next, 3R6, that is 3 regular graph with 6 vertices. Fourth number, 3 regular graph with 6 vertices means each vertex has degree 3. First, draw 6 vertices and each vertex has degree 3. Draw. This vertex has degree 3. This vertex has degree also 3. This vertex has also degree 3. This vertex has also degree 3. 1, 2. Already we draw here. Only remaining this. So this vertex has degree 3. This vertex has degree 2. Join this. So this vertex has degree 3. So this is a 3 regular graph with 6 vertices. Next graph is cycle. Graph of the following structures are cycle graphs. First, C3 means 3 vertex, and draw like this means if we start, draw the edges from this vertex and also this vertex 1, 2, 3. So this is a cycle. C4 means if we start here, this become a cycle. For C5, draw 5 vertex, start here, so this become a cycle. Similarly for C5, draw 5 vertex and start here. We cannot stop to draw edges, so this become a cycle. If we stop this and draw here or here, so this is not a cycle. Notation: cycle of n vertices denotes Cn. Next, properties of cycle. Degree of each vertex is 2, that is 2 regular. You can see that here for C3 each vertex has degree 2. For also C4, C5, this vertex has degree 2, this vertex has degree 2. Similarly for remaining vertex also. Second property, number of edges are n. Here n is equal to 3, number of edges also 3. Here n is equal to 4, number of edges also 4. Similarly for C5. And degree of graph is equal to 2 into n, means summation of all vertex of degree is equal to 2 into n. Each vertex has degree 2, so add these 3 vertex of degree 2 to 2, we get 6. Next, wheel graph. Graphs of following structures are wheel graph. In wheel graph, we obtain the wheel when we add an additional vertex to the cycle Cn and connect this new vertex to each of the n vertices in Cn by new edges. Suppose we have C3. This is a C3. Add new vertex and new edges. So this become a wheel. Also for C4, draw C4, add new vertex and draw new edges. This become a wheel. Similarly W3, W4, also for W5. Cycle for C5, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a cycle. Add new vertex, draw the edges to the remaining vertex of the C5. So this is a W5, not a C5 for when we add this vertex. Notation of wheel graph is capital W suffix n. Next graph is star graph. K1n graph is called star graph, that is graphs of following form are called star graph. K11 like this, K12 first put one vertex here and remaining 2 vertex here and join this vertex by an edge. For K13 first put one vertex here, next 3 vertex and join the edges. For K14 first vertex, 4 vertex, join by edges. Also K15 first put one vertex here and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertex put and draw edges to join this vertex. So here we stop.